Good morning. Kakay. Money. 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 Yeah. Good morning, guys. First nap of the day. So I'm just gonna do my skincare. It's 1:30 p.m. na. I did change her. He played. She did dede. So let's go for a shower. But we're gonna do it sa sink. Sa kusina. Because I'm not gonna see her here. Let's go. So we're done brushing our teeth and cleansing. Let's put this. Because my screen is so dry. Grabe. So we wake up around 11 again. That's usually our morning na pala. I forgot to end the vlog kagabi because she became so fussy. So sorry sa damit. You know, it's fresco when it's botas. So now she's sleeping for her first nap. I'm just gonna eat my lunch as well. Kasi pag mamaya pa, she will be makulit na naman. Ayusin ko lang ito. Yung mukhang hindi sabog. And let's go eat our lunch. So let's eat our lunch here. Here's my lunch. I ordered giniling and then our leftover rice. Let's eat. Look who woke up when mom is eating. Nye. Nye. Gave her some rice and egg. Nah? No. We are now done bathing this girl. Yay! Done bathing this girl. I'm so kalat. So she's now feeding. So we don't have much to do today except our daily routine. Later, if hindi umulan, since it's maulan lately, we will go for our afternoon walk. Why? Nagtataka siya kung sinong kausap ko. Why? Mom's vlogging. Vlog si Mommy. Diba? Vlog si Mommy. Hello. She's nagtataka. Alam niyo. So, usually, it's just us kasi Dad is been working. Maaga siyang umaalis. Depends on his schedule. So, madalas ganito lang. Minsan, naboboard na talaga. Tingin niya kasi. Naboboard talaga siya pag kaming dalawa lang. So, it is really important that we go on our afternoon walk para meron siyang ibang nakikita, not just here sa condo. And nagsasawa na rin kasi siya sometimes sa mga toys niya and everything sinusubo niya lang. So, ayun. Wow. Kandap. Wow, very good. Milk na naman, milk. Ano ba yan? Milk na naman kay Mommy. Wow, toothbrush. Wow. Toothbrush. No, the head, no, the head. Wow. 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 Dan. Nih? Nikah? Terus kita. I love you. 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 Come here. Come here. Kai, come here. No, we can't go outside. Come here. So, hindi talaga siya mapakali. Excited na siya for our afternoon walk. So, we're gonna go afternoon walk. Even with this damit. It's okay. The community understands. That's good. So, we're now gonna go afternoon walk. Happy cow. Kai. Stacy. Stacy. Happy siya. So, yes. Ever since I became a mom, I don't really mind na talaga whatever I wear or what. First, because sayang ang damit. Ang hirap maglaba. You know, it's a full time. Second, they don't care. You know, people that will see you won't care. Especially we're just inside the communities. Pero pag nakalabas kami sa mall, syempre, diba? Anak, we have to dress properly, like, look good. Pero if it's just the afternoon walk lang, I don't mind. So, we're here now! Yay! She's now so happy. She's now so happy. She's now so happy. Diba? She really loves outside. So, ayun. Tada! Medyo umaambon kasi pala ang konti. Kasi nga super dilim ng sky. But, yan, buti na lang may canopy. So, we're just gonna do like siguro 1 lap lang today. And then, go home na. Kasi, biglang bumuhos. Awit talaga. Ni. No. So, we're back from our afternoon walk at happy na siya. Super happy, super happy, super happy. We just did 1 lap kasi medyo umaambon. And now, we're back. Magmi-milk ka na. Milky, milky, milky. Daddy's gonna be home for dinner. So we have to get ready. Tabi niya because I'm currently washing the dishes. Hanggat tahimik ang batay. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, sometimes Dada is on duty for like until tomorrow. Pero he always manage to go home talaga whenever he can. So after I wash the dishes, I'm gonna fry lang a siomai for him and tofu. Kasi may tira pa namang ginuling, which is yung ulam ko kaninang panghal. Okay na daw yun sa kanya. Also, Tata is here. Si Andy, my sister, has been staying with us because mas malapit, mas easy yung commute. He's currently OJT. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakas kumain. So, I believe enough na yung ulam sa akin. Kai, san ikaw? Stacy. So, yung round ka lang. Stacy. Stacy, come kay mommy. She's there. Stacy. No, yan sa fan, diba? Come here. Come na. So, okay lang naman yun. Nagsawa lang siya sa box. So, paano tayo mangkukuk? So, mommy's done washing dishes in your bottles. So, we're gonna cook. How can we cook? Karga pa karga ikaw. Huh? Patay Malaysia, patay Malaysia. Patay Malaysia. I love you. Bye. I love you. I love you. Matatalsikan nito eh. Kulit mo talaga. Very good! Galing! Galing! Very good! Galing ng toothbrush.
Let's count our toes. How many toes on one foot? How many toes?
Galing ng toothbrush.
How many toes on one foot? Let's all count together. 1, 2.
So, we did Turkish night routine.
How many toes?
Nag-toothbrush.
How many toes on 2 feet?
And nag-change ng nappies. Night nappies. And
3, 4, 5, 6,
change clothes.
9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And nag-drink ng vitamins. Yeah!
Loneliest hotel, really that lonely? After bring a ride.
Bulaga! Bulaga!
Hi,
Whoa.
everybody. It's really
Whoa.
late 'cause I just finished editing
Whoa,
this
whoa,
video.
dancing.
Hope you like it.
Whoa,
You should
whoa,
like this
dancing.
other one, too.
Whoa,
You
whoa,
should give it a
dancing.
click or a tap.
Wow, wow,
Maybe get
dancing.
See you in the next one.
Let's go na. Come na dito. Wow, wow, dancing. Wow, 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 dancing. Wow, wow, dancing. Wow, wow, dancing. Wow, wow, dancing. Kay, saan ikaw? Kay, saan ikaw? Babe, baka din yun makalabas ah.
Yo, yo. I said I gotta give you guys a tour of my food. The driver's side. No smoking, no eating. Minimize sand. How do you think about no
Stand up, anak.
My break the heat
Stand up.
and the sample.
Wow.
I looked how massive this screen is.
Wow.
Second up.
Dancing, dancing.
Cool part about the back seat.
Dancing, dancing.
Great tip, Fanati.